I just found one of the craziest AI tools out there. In literally seconds, you can create your own AI influencer, custom face, custom body, and instantly generate realistic photos and videos. The platform is called Savro, and it's already powering some of the biggest AI personalities on Instagram, X, and FanView. And let me show you exactly how it works, step by step. Step 1. Getting started with Savro AI. Savro lets you build fully AI-generated influencers and create high-quality content from scratch. No face swapping, no copyright issues, and no confusing prompts. You can even start for free with one influencer and enough credits to generate photos and videos. Here's how. Tap the link in the description to visit the Savro AI website. Click on Create Your Influencer, then sign up using any method you prefer. Once you're inside the Savro dashboard, you'll see your first influencer slot ready for free. Step 2. Create your influencer. Click on Create New Influencer. Let's name her Luna. Age 25. Ethnicity American. With hazel eyes and brunette short straight hair. You can also adjust the body style to better match the personality or look you're going for. And if needed, use advanced prompts. But for most users, the defaults are more than enough. Once done, hit Continue. Savro will now generate 6 face options. Pick your favorite. I'm going with this one. Now just click Complete Influencer. Step 3. Generate content. Now hit Generate Content. Since your influencer is ready, select Generate Image. You get 2 ways to do this. Option A, QuickGen, one-click content. This is the fastest method. It will auto-detect your influencer. Choose a template. I'm picking coffee shop setting with default poses and styling. Click Generate, and in seconds, your image is ready. Check out the style, realism, and overall look. Pretty impressive. Just hit Download to save it. Option B, EasyGen, Advanced Customization. If you want more control, go with EasyGen. Here you can customize, pose, orientation, setting, expression, outfit. Leave the rest as default, then hit Generate. Once your image is ready, preview it. Looks stunning, right? Step 4. Turn images into videos. You can now turn your generated image into a video. Just click Generate Video. It will auto-load your influencer and the selected image. Now enter your video prompt. For example, smile while sitting at a restaurant table. Choose your video duration and resolution, then hit Generate Video. It takes longer than images, but the results unlock premium content possibilities. So, what can you do with these influencers? You can post content on FanView, Instagram, or your own site, sell content packs, get brand deals or sponsorships, and build recurring revenue over time. Tap the link in the description, grab your free account, and start experimenting today. If you want to generate e-commerce fashion models, check out the video on the left. And if you want to create AI music and songs, watch the one on the right.